keep me off my knees no more. What ifs and maybes ain't enough to keep me off the floor. Well, I wish there was something to say, and that something that made you stay. These days there's a different expression on my face. These days I'm sick and tired, Lord, of this rat race. I wish this feeling was just a phase, and that something that made you stay. Maybe one of these days the Lord will see you again. But until that day, I'll miss you, my friends. Well, we all wish for, yeah, a brighter day, and that something that made you stay.